Hello, today we will cover chapter 14 of on probability. We will go one by one questions we will solve, and through that we will answer, and through that we will explain also what is probability. So question number one is asking if any event is happening, so what is the probability? So its probability of happening plus not happening. Not happening means not e. So if both the together, it is always equal to 1. But because one thing in fraction terms, one thing is there, so either it will be possible or favorable or not favorable. So the total always is 1. So event happening favorable or event not favorable, both the total is 1, and this 1 is equal to possible. This possible is also termed as 1. Okay, so first question, its answer is 1. Second, 2, the probability of an event that cannot happen the probability of an that cannot happen is 0. If it cannot be happen, so it will be 0, and that cannot, and such an event is called impossible event. It is called as the impossible event. Now the third question is the probability on an event that is certain to happen. Certain to happen means 100% certain to happen is 1. Certain to happen is 1. Such an event is called certain or sure. Certain or sure event. Now question number 4. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is the sum. Sum is always 1. Okay. Now fifth. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to it is always equal to 0 or more than 0, and it is up to it is 1. So greater than equal to 0 and less than 1, and it is always less than 1. It will be greater than this but less than 1, it is always. So this is question 1 is over. We will go to question number 2. Now question number 2. So question number 2 first. So car starting of car, it depends on the various factors covering the driver and also the engine, on which situation it will start, on which situation it will not start. So because factors are different, so we cannot say कि it is equally likely outcome. Equally likely, we term it equally likely outcome. So it is not a equally so in the car, for starting car, it is not possible, not a equally likely outcome. Okay. Now second question is, player attempts to shoot a basketball again. The player, every time, he being a human, every time he will not be the same. Sometimes his force will be much, sometimes force will be less, sometimes the position will be different, from the angular different position he will be shooting the goal. So it is equally likely outcome will not be there equally because it changes. So here also basketball also, not basketball also, you have to say no. And now the trial is yes, no, true, false. If a true false is there, you have only two options. One is true, one is false. No other. So equally likely outcome is possible for T also, for F also. So for both it is equally likely. So that's why it is okay. It is correct. A baby is born. So when a baby is born, it is boy or girl. Here also equally likely means for B also the same situation, and for girl also is the same situation of taking birth. So here it is equally likely outcome. So this is also as a probability. You can following is likely outcomes. Okay, thank you. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is on tossing. So tossing. So tossing if done, so it has either it comes head or it comes tail. Okay. So here the possibility of coming head or possibility of coming tail, it is equally likely. Means whatever the chances are here, same chances equally are here. So it is equally likely outcome. So it is okay. That's why when the toss is done at the beginning of the game, so it is correct. It is the correct. Why? That's why it is correct. Tossing is correct because both the players get a equally likely outcome. Head may come to anyone, tail may come to anyone. Okay, now question number 4 we will go. Question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following cannot be a probability of an event? Event will be event's range. We have told event what is the range? It is 0 but less than 1. It is 0 to less than 1. So here the options A, B, C, D, only B is having negative. B is negative. B is negative. Negative means it is less than 0. So less than 0 is not possible. So B is your answer. Okay, now question number 5. If P event, possible event, what is there? If possible event is equal to 0.05. So what will be not possible? So what will be? It is always 0 to 1. Events range is 0 to 1. So if from 1, suppose this is one thing, so 1 is possible, this is possible or not favorable, or this is not favorable or not possible event, and so all total it is 1. So not E is equal to 1 minus 0.05 is equal to 0.95 is the chances of not happening. Now question number 6 we will do. Question number 6, it says a bag contains lemon flavor candies. Means only lemons are there, lemon flavored are there. And so what is the probability that if we take out an orange flavor candy, so orange flavor candy is not there at all. So the chances are 0. So its probability is 0. And what will be the probability of lemon flavor? Because all are lemon. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 1. Your probability will be 1. 1 will be your answer. Question number 7. So here in a group given that a group of 3 students are there. So two are having same birthday. 2 are having same birthday. And same birthday, and their probability the possibility of 2 students not having same birthday is equal to 0.992. So they ask that the students have the same birthday possibility, same birthday. So not having same birthday is this one. So possibility of having same birthday is equal to 1 minus 992. So answer will be 0.008. This will be the possibility of having the same possibility of having same birthday. Question 7 is over. Now question 8 will come. Question number 8. Okay, a bag contains red balls are 3 red balls, and black balls are 5. So they are asking if randomly we will draw, what is the probability of drawing red and not red. So its total is 8. So possible events is 8. This is your possible events. Okay, possible events is 8. So probability of red, if you want to find red, so what will be favorable? 3. means 3 are red. So 3 chances are there, you can get a red. And total are 8, so answer will be 3 by 8. Now another part of the question, not red. Not red will be not red. Not red. We have two ways to solve. One is 1 minus 3 upon 8. Because we have studied total is 1. Of all the probability is 1. So from 1, if you reduce it, it becomes 5 upon 8. And another way is black. We can take black or black. Black is your 5. Favorable is 5. And total is possible. Total is 8. So it will be in this way also. The answer is same. Okay. So this 8 is over. Now question number 9 we will do. So another question is there. A box contains red 5, white 8 and green 4 balls are there. So marbles are there. So if we randomly withdraw, what is the probability of marble taken out? Red. So first we will make a total possible. Total possible means 5, 8, 13, 35, 17. Okay. Total possible is 17. And favorable means how much is possible. Maximum possible is only 5 are there. So 5 are possible. So its answer will be 5 upon. Similarly, for white, what will be the answer? 8 upon 17. Because 8 colors of white is possible there. Green, what will be answer? 4 by 17. And so not green. Not green is always equal to 1 because all together events are 1. So 1 minus 4 by 17. So answer will be 17 minus 13 by 17. Okay, this will be the answer. Or you can say this is one way. Another way is you sum up this 5 upon 17 red and plus white 8 upon 17. So this also 13 by 17. Both way it will come the same. Not green, this is up to not green. Okay, but this is the procedure of doing it. Now question number 10 we will do. So here question is there, one piggy bank contains this 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, and the number of coins is given here. So how much total number of coins? Total possible is its sum is 180. So what they are asking, what is the chance of getting 50 paisa coin if it is turned upside down? Turned upside down, how much will come out from the piggy bank? So 50 chances are there, only 100 are there. So chances are 100. So answer will be 100 upon 180. So 0 will go, 10 upon 18 is equal to 5 upon 9. Okay. So possibility of 10, not possibility of not a 5 rupee coin. So first we will find 5 rupee coin and from 1 we will reduce it. So 10 rupee coin possibility is 10 upon 180. So 1 by 18. So not 1 upon 18 you reduce from the possibility. So from 1 if you reduce, it will be 17 by 18. So this will be your answer. Not rupee 5 coins are there. Now question 11 we will do. Question number 12. One wheel is there and here 8 up to 8 points are there and randomly it is moved. So what is the chance of getting, what is the probability of it will be a 0.8. So altogether its total is 8. Maximum is 8 possible and 8 you want the digit 8 also. Digit 8 you want and total is 8 types. Possible is 8 types. It is possible. So here chances of coming 8 only one is there. So here possible is only 1. 8 will come only one time it may come. So total 8 chances are there and 8 may come for 1. Favorable is only 1. So answer will be 1 upon 8. And now suppose odd you want to know. So total are 8. Total are 8 and odd you want. Odd means 1, 3, 5 and 7, 4 are there. So it will be 1 by 2 will be your answer. Now greater than 2. Greater than 2, how many numbers are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 6 upon 8. So it will be 3 upon 4 will be your answer. Now less than 9. So all are less than 9. So 8 upon 8. Possible is 8 upon 8. So 1 will be the answer. So likewise this question 12 is over. Now we'll do question number 13. Question number 13. So a dash is thrown. Dash has 6 sides. So its number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total possible is how much? 6. Total possible is always 6. Now they want prime number. So prime number means number which is not divisible by any other number. So 1 is not taken, 1 is not treated as a prime number. So 2, 3, 4, no, not 4, 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. So you have 3 prime numbers. So 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 2. And number between 2 and 6, between 2 and 6, 2 and 6, how many numbers are there? 3, 4 and 3 numbers are there. So 3 upon 6, its answer will also be 1 upon 2. So question 13 is over. Now question 14 we will do. Now they want odd and odd. How much will be the possibility for odd number? So odd numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 5. 4 numbers are there. 1, 3 and 5. 3 numbers are there which are odd. So answer will be 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. For odd also this will be the answer. Now question 14 we will do. Now our next question is on cards. So cards are 52 cards are there and 13 cards for each type. So 13 into 4 types of cards are there. So altogether 52 cards are there. So out of these 13 cards we have one AC. One AC will be there and one Joker will be there. Joker. Okay, and one queen will be there and one king will be there. Okay, so every card has these are out of these are called face card. Face card in which some face is there. So joker and these are face card. Okay. Now rest are numbered card 1 to 9 and 2 to 9 number card are there. Okay, those are numbered cards. Now color, what are the name? One is spade. Spade means like a leaf. Like a leaf. It is like a leaf. It is like a leaf. Black leaf. It is like a leaf. Okay. And then club is there. Club means it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. It is a club. Black, it will be also in black color. Then in your red heart is there. Heart is red in color. This is black in color, and heart is heart. It is red in color, and then and then diamond is also there. Diamond is there. Diamond shape, this is diamond shape, this is also red. So these are the cards we have. Based on this we will solve this. So now your first question is red king. So red king is only one will be red king because every card they have this much only. All the cards they have this much only, means one king, one queen, one joker. So red king will be only one card will be there. So 1 by 52. This is the total possible. Favorable is 1. So first question is red color king. Red color means heart and diamond both are possible. So 2 kings will be there. So 2 by 52. So 2 by 52. One is of heart and one is of diamond because these are red color. So answer will be 1 by 26 will be answer. Now face card. So how many face cards are there? Every 3 face cards are there. Joker, king, and so 3 face cards are 3 in each face. Now face card means if 4 types are there, so how many face cards will be there? 3 into 4 and total is 52. So what will be the answer? 3 by 13. Now another question is red face. Red face means face cards are 3. So and red are 2. So what will be? Face cards are 3 and it's red color. Red colors are 2 red colors are there. So what will be the total? favorable is this one and total is this one. So again we will cut it by 2, we will get 26. So 3 by 26 will be your answer. Now jack of heart, jack of heart. So only one card is possible, because heart only one card will be there. So 1 by 52 will be your answer. Then spade, they want a spade. So a spade. A spade means alter. So a spade. So altogether 13 cards are there. It means so for every card. So they want spade. So the card has each type, 13 each types are there, and four colors are there. So each types are 13. So spade will be 13. So 13 by 52. So if we cut it 1 by 4, that's a common. 1 by 4 will be the chance. Queen of diamond. Queen of diamond, only one card will be there. So 1 upon 52 will be there, your answer. So likewise, this question 14 is over. We will do question 15 now. Now question number 15. 5 cards are kept and shuffled, then one card is drawn. What is the probability of getting a queen? So queen, only one card is there, so possibility will be 1 by 5. 1 upon 5. Your answer will be 1 by 5 will be your answer. Okay. Now what happened after this? What they are doing? They have kept the queen out, means queen they have removed. So when queen is removed, how many cards will remain? Only 4 cards will be there. Now the chances of being a SC will be 1, and total is 4 cards. So this will be answer. Probability of having queen 0, because queen they have kept aside. So now in the 4 cards there is no queen, so nothing, no queen will come out. So it is 0. Now question number 16 we will do. So question number 16, here defective pens and good pens are mixed. So when mixed, what will be the total? Its total will be 144. So total possible is 144. So in the question they want to know, if one is withdrawn randomly, so what is the possibility? If randomly we will withdraw, what is the possibility of taking out good? Good is equal to 132. So your possibility will be 1, favorable will be 134, and total is 144. So it is by 12 we can cut. By 12 we can cut. So answer will be 11 by 12. So this is your answer. By this we are making over this video, and rest questions we will be covering in our next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please share with your friends and tell them also to subscribe. You also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.